pollinating plants themselves, they can improve the quality by themselves, and those who are plants, they cannot compete by the self pollination that artificially we have done. It is one of the old method of the improvement of the plants. Here we can go for hybridization. In the hybridization method, there are three steps. One is emasculation, second one is bagging, and third one is crossing. So, in the emasculation, the word means the removing of male, the reproductive structures from the bisexual flowers. So, in the emasculation, what we have to do for that? First one, there are 7 points for the emasculation. The first one, the removal of stamens from the flowers of the female parent before the dehiscence of anther is called emasculation. Otherwise, if you are not removed the stamens, they go for the self fertilization, self pollination and fertilization. So, they themselves they can produce the seeds, and it is done artificially. We can take out the anthers and the dusting to the other plants. Second point, it is done in a few hours before the opening of the flower buds, because here what happens in the self pollinating plants, if it is flowers are bloomed opened, then the self pollination is allowed. So, before opening the flowers, we must take care, we have to take out the anthers. Third point, emasculation is used to avoid the self pollination. Fourth point, it is necessary for all bisexual flowers, not required for unisexual flowers. So, in the unisexual flower, there is only one type of the sex is present, either male or female, then naturally they go for the cross pollination. So, only it is done select for the bisexual flowers. If flowers are large, to do manual emasculation, forceps or scissor methods is practically possible. For example, paddy and wheat plants, commercial plants. If the flowers are very small in size, emasculation is done with using hot water method. By dipping in the hot water, we can sterilize the anthesis or stamens. That is, example is sorghum and barley plant. So, in this diagram we can observe that in this slide, holding a flower. This is the first A is the flower totally present without before opening the flower, there it is removed. The flowers are opened forcibly and it is covered by the palea. In case of paddy plant it is, and anthers are removed, emasculated flowers. In the here the removed stamen we can observe in the structure. Okay, like that we can take out the anthers from the plant before flowers, before the anthesis or for pollination. And if it is the plant's flowers are very small, then we go for the hot water method. But here there are some difficulties in this method also, hot water method. So, there we have to follow this method. And after the emasculation, what happens? Bagging. After the emasculation, the flowers or panicles are enclosed in a paper bag to protect them from the contaminating pollen grains. Anything pollen grains are viable in the nature, they may pollinate. That is why this is covered with the polythene covers. In most cases, bagging may be done in the evening. The bags are tied at the base using a thread. So, it is polythene covers should be placed over the flowers, then it is tied. The male and female flowers are bagged separately to prevent the entry of pollen grains from outside. Bags are removed from male plants after collecting the pollen grains from the stamens. On the other hand, bags are retained on female flowers and panicles up to the stages of seed development. Like that we can separately we can maintain the male and female flowers, and showing that the at what time the collection of the anthers are done, and also the dusting or transfer the pollen grains on the female flowers. So, here bagging of panicles, you can observe that in the field trials we can observe that such a type of polythene covers should be covered and labeled properly what type of plants which is used in the field. Crossing. The transfer of pollen grains collected from male plant to emasculated female flowers is called crossing or artificial cross pollination. So, it involves the collection of pollen grains from desired male plant and putting them on the pistil of the emasculated flower. The stamens are gently teased with a forceps to release the pollen from them and it collected from the petri dish. And crossing is usually done in the morning. See, usually blooming of flower takes place in the morning, that we have to go for the crossing, we have to go for the in the morning only. And in our laboratory we taken the few plants for the demonstration, and also we done as shown in the diagrams, and also it is only a practical purpose, demonstration purpose, but in the field it takes place properly. Thank you.